One of my all-time favorite snack are onion rings. It is quick and easy recipe. Deep fried until golden brown. Tastes so delicious and crispy. Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Let's get started. Cut 2 large onions, cut into 1/4 inch thick slices. Separated into rings. Set aside. In a mixing bowl, pour ½ cup all-purpose flour. Add 1/4 cup cornstarch. Add 3 tablespoons dry potato flakes. Add 1 to 2 teaspoon ground black pepper or cayenne pepper. Add salt to taste. Add 1 cup club soda. Whisk together to make a smooth batter. Set aside. Place 2½ cups panko bread crumbs in shallow bowl. Set aside. Place a few onion rings at a time into the bowl of batter and turn to coat all sides well. Remove onion rings from batter and place into bread crumbs. Coat well. Heat oil in pot or saucepan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a few rings at a time in the hot oil. Cook until golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer to a cooling rack set over paper towels to drain. Serve with ranch or ketchup. Check out the ingredients in the subscription below the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. New videos uploaded weekly.